Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vaibhav and I am going to teach you some basics of Python language. And I hope you will enjoy all these tutorials. In the upcoming tutorial, we will be learning some basics of Python, some libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib, some mathematical concepts like probability and linear algebra, and then we will dive deep into core machine learning concepts. Also, this learning will be time-taking learning process, so be consistent. I will share you with all the resources and codes. We will do maximum of coding on Jupyter Notebook, as you can see, and Visual Studio Code. I have provided a link for setup in the description area, so you can check that link and set up your coding environment. And if already installed, then move forward. Okay, so we shall begin now. As you can see, I have opened Jupyter Notebook. So, first question that came in our mind is that what is Jupyter Notebook? So, the answer is that the Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application and that allow you to create and share document that contain live codes, equations and visualization and explanatory text. That means you can write and run your code simultaneously. A perfect environment for beginners. Jupyter Notebook is a perfect environment for beginners. It's widely used in machine learning for data pre-processing and model training and so on. You can use Jupyter Notebook for data analysis and so many purposes. Many professional developers prefer to use Notebook for their data science projects. Also, the IDE, that is integrated development environment, where you can write your code and can execute and run. Some popular IDE like Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Lab, Notebook, Spider. These are like Python development environment. IDE Visual Studio Code support many languages. Okay, so we can say Anaconda. It is Anaconda Navigator, where there are many distributions of Python and R language. This is R Studio. We will explore all these IDEs in the upcoming tutorials. Our main focus will be on Jupyter Notebook and Visual Studio Code. So now we shall move towards basics of Python. Okay, thank you.